Did you know there's a 10-second test you can run on any contractor before they step foot in your house? I always get asked, how do you actually verify a contractor in Arizona? Well, the first step is to go to azroc.gov. You're going to click verify a license, enter their name or license number. A real contractor can give you their ROC number without hesitation. Ours is 313636. Check the classification too, because B3 means general remodeling and repair contractor, which is the one you want for kitchen and baths. The site will also show complaints filed against them, so look for clean records. If they can't give you a number that you can verify in 10 seconds, walk away. So if you want to skip the homework and work with someone whose license you can verify, book now a free discovery call at phxhomeremodeling.com. Thank you.